Hey friends, welcome back. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, I show you how I meal prep just to, make things a little bit easier. Well, shrimp is one of those dishes that I do not like to warm up in the microwave. So I'm going to show you how I partially prep my shrimp and grits. So we're going to take our shrimp and grits seasoning, heat a little olive oil in the pan and throw our shrimp in. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of the seasoning on the shrimp. Now I will put the recipe for this seasoning down in the description box, but we're going to flip it over after 2 minutes and put some seasoning on the other side. Now don't overcook your shrimp because they will get rubbery, and I don't like rubbery shrimp, but yeah. And I don't know if you guys have ever made shrimp and grits. It takes a good 30 to 45 minutes to make good shrimp and grits. So we're cutting out a lot of time with this one. And so here's the partial prep. A few weeks ago, I made some shrimp and grits. I doubled the recipe. And as you can see, the grits are really creamy. The gravy is really creamy. So this is going to warm up pretty good. And that is kind of it, y'all. It didn't take long. It takes about 10 minutes. Added some tomatoes and some green onions, and yeah, so now I've got a really good meal. So you guys like, subscribe, come back for some more tips.